confused somehow. She was living in a very bad environment, and then suddenly she was moved from that environment, and she was shocked. And as soon as she went with our social worker, she started crying until she went to sleep. It could be both. And it shows that could be kidnapping and combined effort of these people to buy and sell children. And when you have a good commodity like this one, they're trying to find better price, because they were using also this little girl in the streets of Larissa to beg because she was blonde and everybody, she was cute. I'm asking everybody in Europe or wherever in the world, if they have information in countries that the 116000 is working, they can call that the number.
Ο δόλος έμοιαζε με τους φερόμενους αυτούς ως γονείς, όπως προείπα. Σε σχετικές ερωτήσεις που έγιναν για το κοριτσάκι αυτό, έχουν πέσει σε αρκετές αντιφάσεις. Οι συνεχείς προβαλλόμενοι και μεταβαλλόμενοι ισχυρισμοί των φερομένων γονέων μας εδραίωσαν την πεποίθηση ότι επρόκειτο περί ενός παιδιού που δεν ήταν η βιολογική και φυσική γονείς. Φέρεται μέχρι τώρα ότι το παιδί κάτω από διευκρίνιστες συνθήκες απήχθη